Oh, the crowds are thick today, dude. Oh my God. That is a lot of people. I'm heading over here. See, that right there is why you stay on site, is because you don't want to have to wait in a crazy line like that at 8 o'clock in the morning to get in the park. You want to wait in a much shorter line like this one here.
We will be opening shortly for early park admission. Please have your early park admission credentials ready as you enter, and then we'll ask to see them at the Seuss Landing Bridge. Thank you and have a great day today.
Much shorter line. Okay, so living in a dystopian cyberpunk future is wild. They used facial recognition to let me through the pass holder entrance, and it worked, and I have a pretty distinct face. I figured it would have some issues with the metal and whatnot, and there were none, so cheers. I like the new technology, y'all. Also, yeah, they're still making their way in, which means I need to walk with a purpose if I'm gonna get on Hagrid's this morning. Let's go.
There we go.
Oh, there we go.
Up. All right.
Thank you.
Extreme reasons. If you have a pre-existing
Right, off you go. We'll meet at the edge of the Forbidden Forest. We'll have to round up the screws before they set fire to anything else. They just don't know what they're doing. His barks are worse than his bites. No, don't panic. I'll just, oh no. Looks like it lost power. I've got you. Don't worry. Reparo. Sorry, I never was great shakes at magic. Oh, Craigie, you're tangled in devil's snare. Repeat, Lumos Solem after me. Lumos Solem. Woo, that was close. Oh, you found my missing screws. Best be getting you out of here before you get blasted. Now, hit those purple buttons. Well, I'll be. There's a unicorn. And look, she's a mum. Really lucky thing to see such a sight in the wild. But Merlin's beard, we did see pixies, scroots, and unicorns. Oh, and I'd be grateful if you didn't mention any of this to anyone back at Hogwarts. See you next lesson.
on and off in less than 30 minutes. It is only 8:28 in the morning, and I'm gonna grab my bag and head on into the Ollivanders Swan shop.